Hey guys, Joe for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Puma MB.04 Phoenix. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. Try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity. Thank you, subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the LAMELO PUMA MB.04 Phoenix. We got this in the Puma red orange glow colorway, and we got this in the UK size 8, it's European 42, and it's US 9. But before we get unboxing, I just want to show you the box. So it's in the nature of LAMELO's style of play. He's very, as he describes, one of one. It's a very unique style of play that he plays. I mean, the whole Ball brothers actually. Shout out Lonzo, we know you're watching. LAMELO as well, shout out you guys, we know you're watching. Very good passes, and it's got this very unique take. It kind of like brought how they played from high school into the NBA. That's a topic for another discussion for another day. And just if you look at the box, it's like rising from the Phoenix into that orange, and you can kind of see the lettering here. It says rare. You got the Puma cat, and you got LAMELO's logo right here, and it says not from here, to kind of like solidify his style of play. It's like alien, outworldly, and these sneakers themselves are outworldly also. So as the name suggests, this is based on the Phoenix. You can tell by the colorway, and we'll get into all the detailing right now actually. So we'll look at the outsole. So you got this all a rubber outsole, and you've got sayings from Melo, not from here, and then you got this like spaceship at the top of the toes right there with one, because he's like one of one, as he mentions. So you got this different kind of traction patterning all around the sneaker, and it ends with like the flames at the bottom. The midsole unit, so this midsole unit is a foam, but it's injected with nitro foam, which you can find from Puma. It's their cushioning system. They use it on a lot of their running sneakers as well. And if you look, it's kind of encompassed with what Puma would like to say, like these alien tentacles, because again, the way that LAMELO describes his style of play is one of one, outworldly, like an alien. And then the upper, you got this 5D printed patterning on the upper that surrounds essentially a mesh underneath, and it's like a phoenix, the way that it's the orange and red. And then you got a lot of his signature sayings, not from here, on the toe box. And if you look at the lateral side, you can kind of see the form strip that Puma are famous for, their logo right there. But again, like I mentioned, you got this 5D printed outlay that surrounds the sneaker. You can see a red form strip on the medial side, and then at the back you've got rare. Looking at the tongue, you've got his saying. I don't know what dip means. That must be something he says a lot. But again, like the 5D print all over, you got this like plastic coating covering the nicely padded tongue, and you got the one-on-one Phoenix logo right here at the tongue as well, with a little pull tab right there. And just one nice little touch, it kind of says one of one on the lateral side here. You can see it, the way that the flames are kind of like shaped. It says one of one on the lateral side. And if you look at the medial side here, you got 111 right there also. And it says, I think that says love on the medial side also. So love 101. Really cool stuff to see. The insole, you got a synthetic insole with the Puma basketball logo and the LAMELO ball logo also. And as I've seen from other basketball reviewers who played in the LAMELO's MB.03, I think, and some MB.04s, very good to play in. If you want to see us do an on-feet, test review, let us know in the comment section below, and we'll try and get that sorted. It's another unique sneaker. Loads of guys have been signing on to Puma actually, and it's really cool to see. Like loads of other NBA players have signed with Puma. Even the Indiana's Pacers best player in my opinion. I want to say Tyler Halliburton. Forgive me if I'm wrong, if I said his first name wrong, but I know his surname is Halliburton. So shout out to you if you're watching. But shout out to the Ball Boy brothers. You know, it's a shame about Lonzo, but LaMelo's holding it down. Again, unique style of play, unique kind of sneaker. Let's show the on feet right now for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Puma fit. This is a UK 8, and typically, so I do have a pair of the Nitro Cell foam runners from Puma. I forget if that's I know it's Nitro something, but I got that in the UK size 8, and this is a UK size 8. Typically, I am a 41, 42 in European sizing, 7.5 really, if you look at Nike. But this fits well. It's locked down, very sturdy as well. It's keeping my feet in place. It's got good traction. I can feel at the bottom, and yeah, I can feel pretty protected as well. Also, very wild colors. As I mentioned, I'm not wearing the best. If I was wearing some shorts, it would look all right, but it's freezing here in the UK. So just to wrap things up, it does feel quite locked in, while my toes aren't really too tight. Well, I've still got a little bit of room at the toes. Can't really push them forward, but yeah, it is lockdown support. Feels good, feels tight. Ladies, I'm just kidding. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.